This is going to be a 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie. These are super well equipped trucks inside and out. So let me walk you through it. This one is going to come in the bright white clear coat. Super nice paint color on this truck. Gonna see that this one has the paint match front end as well. That is optional with some of the trim levels. You can get the plastic or the chrome bumper down there as well. This one's gonna have LED headlights, fog lights as well down there. Big Ram front grille. Under the hood, which I will show right now, is going to be the 6.4 liter Hemi, one of the best engines that Ram has ever made. So, you know, under the hood, you're gonna be rocking and showing. This one is going to have around 45,000 miles on it, which on these engines, you're just getting started. You can go pretty much like a lifetime with these. So super, super good engine, super well equipped. But let me close that. You also have the hydraulic hood stands so that you don't even need to prop up a stand. Taking a look at the whole truck now. Going to have the wheel running boards as well, which is a nice option to have, kind of help you step up into the truck. Gonna have the chrome side mirrors. These are going to be the ones with the blind spot mirror as well. So it's really nice. If something's in your blind spot, you'll see it with that mirror. These wheels are going to be 18-inch wheels, which come standard on these, with some really well-equipped tires. And with the system's four-wheel drive, it's going to be perfect to have those all-season tires with it as well. As you can see, this one is going to be the crew cab option. I will show inside, but let me come to the back now first. Gonna have the 6'4" bed. You can either get the 6'4" bed or the 8-foot bed, depending what you want for the cab arrangement. The 6'4" bed only comes with the crew cab. It's going to have a backup camera back here. Gonna have the tow hitch, outlets so you can plug into the trailer nice and easy. Also gonna have the soft fold down tailgate, which is always nice. You don't have to worry about slamming the tailgate. This one, you can get them with spray and bed liner already in it, but this one does not. But it does have the option for that fifth wheel, as you can see. Really nice. Back here you have, you know, your Ram logo, Laramie, and the 4x4. Let you know which trim level this is. Taking a walk along the whole side now, the whole thing. Super nice truck. The Laramie is one of the highest trim levels that you can get on Ram's lineup. So whether you're taking it out, you know, for work, for family, you're just looking for a truck, this one is pretty much the perfect option for any of them. You can also get them with the diesel. Both options are super. You really can't go wrong. Either the Cummins turbo diesel or the Hemi. But let's take a walk inside now and take a step inside. This one's gonna have the black leather all the way around. The Laramie is gonna come with the leather, as it is one of the most comfortable options as well. You can see it's the Laramie by the stitching right in the seat. The Alcantara is also going to be present in the seating, which I think is a perfect little twist to the interior. These are going to be heated seats, but you also get heated steering wheel, which is not super common on a work truck or just trucks in general. So always a nice option to have. Have a bunch of buttons. This is going to, let me actually hop into it real quick. Get out of the cold because it is like 10 degrees out. These buttons are going to be for control the dashboard right there, let you go through. Actually, if I turn the truck on, I can show you. So going up, you can kind of switch between oil life, speedometer, cool, a bunch of settings right there. You can kind of make this how you like as well, depending what you want. Switch between kilometers too. Also gonna let you know the trailer tow as you apply and take off the brake. But taking a look around, really nice interior, really nice door cards as well. I actually love these door cards in these trucks. Good little cut there, but this is going to be the Uconnect system. Gonna have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a bunch of settings all packed into here. You can get navigation on it, Sirius XM. Those two are optional depending how you would like. You can get it with your option. But really, really well equipped Uconnect system. Like I said, you can kind of make it your own with all the settings in there. Right below here is where all the buttons are going to be. I have the heated seats on right now, heated steering wheel. You have also ventilated seats up here, not in the back, unfortunately, but you know, right down here is where your trailer brake gain is going to be. You know, all of your, you know, tow haul, just some of your trailer settings right here, outlet. But what I really like about these trucks is just how much space you have in the center console. Obviously cup holders, and right here you have a little tray, but you also have all down here, you have the phone chargers right there as well, which is really, really nice. And right here, you still have that center console. So this whole thing is open for you to put whatever you like back here, which is really cool. You have right here the gear limit on the steering wheel. But let me show you the back seat now, because I think that's pretty much everything up here with the front seat as well. I mean, minus, you know, you have your seat or settings for the headlights and brightness on and all that. But let me show you the back seat now. With this being the crew cab, you get a ton of space back here. You get the bench seating arrangement. You have your cup holders, but let's say you don't want that. You have the bench seating back here. You can actually lift these up as well. That side does fall up as well to give you the maximum storage capacity in the back if you would like it. And you have this really nice floor carpeting so that it doesn't get your carpet underneath. But checking underneath, you actually have a little more storage back here. You have it on the other side as well if you would like, just an added little feature, kind of little store and go area. You're also going to have cup holders and some outlets back here as well. Let me fold this back down. But yeah, super nice inside and out. This one is for sale. If you are interested, please give us a call. Check out, I have the listing down below in the description. Hopefully this was helpful, whether you're interested in this one or just checking out what Ram has to offer.